Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain how extreme cold temperatures can affect your phone. Many people use smartphones every day. If they are in cold places, they should follow some tips to keep their phone safe. I have divided this video into 3 parts. First part is about the problems which can occur when the phone is exposed to extreme cold. Second part is about tips which can keep your phone safe from extreme cold temperature. Third part is about the tips to follow when your smartphone is exposed to extreme cold. Part 1. Problems which occur when we keep the phone in extreme cold temperature. Number 1. Battery drain. When we use a smartphone in extreme cold weather, smartphone battery will drain fast. This will result in dead battery. Sometimes the cold temperature can kill the smartphone battery. Number 2. Screen problems. Cold temperature can lead to delayed touch screen reactions as well as smudging and ghosting of text and colors. When we drop the phone, the display can break because the cold temperature can make the panel rigid. Number 3. Internal component errors. These errors include difficulty in reading a SIM card or executing a number processing functionalities. Number 4. Liquid condensation. Liquid condensation can occur underneath the display if we bring the phone to a warm area from the cold area. This can cause various liquid damage issues and can also make the screen hard to read. Part 2. Tips to protect the smartphone from extreme cold weather. Don't take the smartphone out in the cold weather. Use warming gloves when handling a smartphone in the cold. Don't leave your smartphone in a cold vehicle for extended periods of time, especially not overnight. Such use can cause permanent internal and external damage. Use headphones or a Bluetooth earbud and mic in order to keep smartphones away from cold. This can allow users to take calls without handling the device. Charge your phone before going outside. If the battery is full before going out into the cold, it is less likely to experience battery drain. Keep a mobile charger around for long trip. Part 3. Tips to follow when your smartphone is exposed to extreme cold. Turn the phone off and allow it to warm back up to the room temperature before turning it on again for use. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you feel that this video is good, please like the video, subscribe to the channel because it encourages me to some awesome videos which are useful and very easy to understand.